Welcome back to another Save a Lot grocery haul. This haul will probably feed us 2 weeks dinner wise, and then there's some other filler kind of items too, and it was $133. So for some sweets we got some Dum-Dums, some fruit slices, picked up a bag of Halos, bananas, some tomatoes, I got some green grapes and some red grapes, a bag of potatoes, I got some of these cheese and garlic croutons, a bag of dinner rolls, I got a bag of the Lay's Poppables, the Lay's cheddar and sour cream to eat with sandwiches and stuff. We also got some of these Chip-tastic classic chocolate chip cookies, Nutri-Grain strawberry bars, milk. I got one of these Thousand Island dressings, 4 cans of the Chunk Light tuna in water. Got some shredded iceberg lettuce. Got some of the oven roasted turkey breast for sandwiches. I'm going to try this in the salads I'm going to make. So it's the Kentucky Legend diced ham. So we shall see. Got some shredded Kobe Jack. I got 2 peach yogurts, 1 cherry vanilla. And I also found this really cute Pez dispenser for Connor's Easter basket. I thought that was so cute. In the freezer section we picked up some broccoli, cauliflower, and cheese sauce and carrots. And 2 of the broccoli and cheese sauce from the Green Giant. I like these and the Walmart brand steamed veggies, but I don't care too much for the Save a Lot brand, so that's why I don't haul their frozen veggies very often. I did get a butterball turkey breast. I like to put these in the crock pot, and you can have fixings with it or shred it for maybe a turkey salad, kind of like a chicken salad thing, or eat it as a sandwich. There's a ton of different ways you can use this, and it is 3 pounds. I picked up a pack of the crab meat, a ground turkey roll, and I got some of their farm-raised tilapia. And I thought we would try these chicken rings that they have in the freezer around. And then I got some of the honey barbecued flavored chicken strips, which I've had these in the past and they're actually really good. And last but not least, meats. I got a big pack of chicken legs. I always like to eat these shake and bake, so that's probably what I'll do with those. A pack of chicken breast, and I also still have at least 6 packages of meat in our freezer, so this is gonna feed us for a while. And I got some of the pork steaks. These were $3.57, $4.75. and $4.16, and they had a sale on their Boston butt pork roast, and this is almost 2.5 pounds, $2.39. And then I got this one. This one is a little over 2 pounds, and it was $2.22. You really can't beat that. Like, I'm just probably gonna I have no meal ideas for these. Usually I would stick carrots, potatoes, whatever in the crock pot with this, or I would just fix this and eat it with like mashed potatoes or whatever. So I'm just putting these back in the freezer. That was too good of a deal to pass up. And then last pack of meat are pork cutlets, and they were $4.20. So that is my grocery haul. 9 packages of meat, so that's over 9 meals for us, because a lot of times I will fix something and we'll have leftovers. That was stuff for salads, that was stuff for side dishes for our meals, sandwiches for like lunches and quick kind of dinners, and there was snack items, and I already had like eggs, and I have hash browns and sausages and biscuits and things like that, so all the breakfast food still already here. But $130 for over 9 meals, because they'll feed us twice, some of them, and then snacks and lunches and all that stuff too. So not bad. So that's the haul. Hope you guys enjoyed another grocery haul. Stay tuned for more grocery hauls as well as recipe videos coming up. And check the description box for additional links. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And thank you always for watching.